Yeah, I see already. That's why they sit there. You haven't gone. That's why we should see. You see how huge it is? Look at, we could check out all the planes. Look at this plane, the coach.
You can actually sit 6 or 7.
Yeah, these are bigger ones. I wonder if this one could land on water.
300 kilometers long. Nobody does. The beaches maybe.
This probably costs about $1 million, over $1
Yeah,
million,
depend on the
I
one.
would think.
Yeah.
Techno Aircraft Radio, time to check out the checklist. They're gonna fire me for that. Light sport aircraft, check.
These are light sport
23 single-engine
aircraft.
aircraft,
Look at this one.
check. The most revolutionary and certified single-engine IFR train in the world, check. Personal aircraft,
Yeah.
diesel power, check. Jet power, check. SAF power, check. Road tax power,
Victoria, this one I like.
and zone power, check. Composite and
Isn't that
metal
neat?
construction,
This one.
check.
You would look good in this
Parachute
one,
option, check.
You could fly to our island.
Flight decks,
Huh?
check.
This one.
Expert design that delivers an
This
unparalleled
is the
balance of
premium.
control and performance.
Premium one.
Italian styling. Check. 76 years of family ownership. Check. Passion to deliver the safest, highest quality aircraft in the air.
Yeah.
Check.
I like it.
Dedication to
They
deliver
look good,
sustainable
Victoria.
aircraft today and tomorrow. Check. The largest selection of single and
What a
twin-engine
beautiful
aircraft
airplane.
with
You
single
match. It's
manufacturer
white and blue.
that's
It's
dedicated
our
to
color.
aviation and certified aircraft. Check.
So now, the other one, they show